Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already set up basic permissions. Now start dictating. Open Messages and tap a conversation. Tap the keyboard's microphone icon or press and hold the side button to invoke dictation. Speak naturally and clearly. Use short phrases for each sentence so iPhone can parse punctuation words like comma or period. Once you pause, the system transcribes. Make sure background noise is low and you speak toward the mic. If nothing appears, check that dictation is turned on in settings. Now focus on composing and editing by voice. While dictating, say punctuation and formatting phrases so the transcript reads correctly. For example, say comma between clauses or new line to start another line. If the system mishears a word, say delete that immediately or tap the mistranscribed word to replace it by voice or typing. Once done, you can reposition the cursor with taps or arrow keys and continue speaking to insert words. This keeps the message flow fluid and reduces retyping. Finish by reviewing the text aloud so you catch errors. Then either say send if using hands-free or tap the send button to deliver the message. If dictation stops working, toggle airplane mode briefly or force close messages and reopen it. These quick resets often restore microphone access. Make sure iOS is up to date and dictation plus microphone permissions are enabled in settings. If problems persist, reboot the iPhone and test the microphone in voice memos to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.